Yes, that's right. So there were reports that the government may consider a windfall tax for the oil companies, in fact, the upstream oil companies like ONGC and Oil India. So now a senior finance ministry official is telling us that such a levy is not on the cards. Now also there were reports that the government might look at capping the realization of these companies. And in fact, these reports came after UK imposed 25% tax on its energy and oil companies. In fact, these reports came because we are seeing a lot of additional expenditure in this financial year, whether it's cut in excise duty, cut in edible oil duty, or whether it's additional subsidy expenditure on the fertilizer subsidy, food subsidy. So there were reports that such additional levy might gather additional revenue for the government, so government might look at it. But now, with the top finance ministry officials are confirming that such a levy is not on the cards. In fact, in 2008 and 18, if we remember, then also such discussions had come up that the government might consider such a windfall tax, but that time also it did not happen. Now remember, this windfall tax happens when the crude prices, as we are seeing now, they rise beyond a certain level. So the oil companies make windfall gains, which are definitely not due to directly because of their expansion or not because of the company's reasons, but these are windfall profits. So that's why there was these speculations and reports that the government might consider it. In fact, ONGC CMD also had to clarify that he doesn't think that the finance ministry will implement such a levy, but there was no reaction from the government itself. But now, with the finance ministry senior official himself confirming that such a levy is not on the cards, I think the oil companies can breathe a sigh of relief.